Welcome to TurboKIDS. Let's see how the game works.
This is the sign-up page. Click on If Already Registered, click here to log in, and add email ID and password given by the class teacher to log in. You're now on the home screen. Here you'll find some important features like Grade Download. Click on it to download grades content. Click on your grade to download it. Click Play to enter into the 3D world. Press this button to walk. Press the same button again to stop. To make your avatar run, press this button. Press the same button again to stop. Interact with highlighted area to rotate your avatar. Press the skate button to hop on your skateboard. Press push to speed up on your skateboard. Press exit to get off the skateboard. Congratulations! You've learned to control your avatar. Follow the path to reach your grade. Select the topic you want to learn. Click Enter Class to begin your educational journey.
Hello kids, welcome to the maths class.
Welcome to beautiful world of TurboKIDS. This is your academy where you will learn and earn coins. Let's explore more. Look, on the left this is a dinosaur park. Here you can meet cool dinosaurs and play. Now, let's see the hide and seek area on the right, where you can hide or find your friends. Let's go further. On the left side of the road, there is the farm, where you can grow crops. And exact opposite of that, there is the music concert to dance and have fun. Up ahead, here on the left, you will find amusement park with lots of rides. And on the right, there is the garage and driving test arena where you can try driving a car. We're almost done. Here's the skating park on the left. And on the right is the mall where you can shop. Now let's go inside the mall. You can play fun games in the left block of the mall. Shop for clothes and accessories on the right block of mall. And buy cool dance moves in the front block of the mall.
TurboKIDS, Learning Redefined.